Hey there, everybody. You can see that we're in the Bellarmine Pumpkin Patch today, so thank you for joining us. We've got a lot of food out here, so we're going to try a lot of this. It's all pumpkin-based, so it's just for Halloween, but we're going to tell you what we think about it. The very first thing that we have these donuts. They're pumpkin-flavored donuts. I like donuts, so I have high hopes for these. If I can get them open, hopefully we can taste them. But I think these are going to be good. I'm just going to rip them open. All right. That is pretty good. You guys want to try it?
Confirmed.
All right, try it.
Oh, they're sticky.
They are kind of sticky and wet, but they're honestly not bad, and I kind of thought they were going to be, like, most pumpkin things I think are too much or too little, but this is a healthy middle ground.
Very moist.
Very moist. I don't really want to eat this whole thing, but I'm going to put it right there. Just because. I need plates or something. But we have Twinkies, pumpkin flavored Twinkies. This is a pretty big deal to me. I think that this is great, like, brand collaboration. Again, that fall seasonal action. The hardest thing about this, though, is getting everything open. But these actually, I think, are going to be delicious. There's one for you.
Thanks.
There's one for you.
Thank you.
There's not enough here.
I don't like normal Twinkies, so I'm scared.
That's pretty good. It's not bad.
It just tastes like cinnamon.
It's a lot like a normal Twinkie to me. But I think that's pretty good. Give that a 4 out of 5. What else do we have? These are just marshmallow things. They're mallows, jet puffed mallows. So these are also pumpkin flavored. I guess there's some cinnamon in there too. Pumpkin spice. This is then the easiest thing to open, so props to them. That's good. That is actually really good.
I don't like marshmallows.
You know what? Marshmallows are delicious.
Let me see these. Okay,
Those
the
just taste like
Twinkies get a
regular.
2 out of 5.
You
These are
can-
not good.
I agree.
That is absurd. Those were the best thing. Like, other than the marshmallows are now the new best. That's not true.
They don't taste like anything.
Okay, these taste like normal marshmallows. These are a scam.
I'm gonna try another one. You're wrong. These are just white pumpkin pie flavored M&Ms. I have no hope for this. This is gonna be bad. Again with the easy
Trying
opening.
everything
I'm
right
trying
now.
everything. I guess why not? I'm leaving enough for everybody else.
Can we have some?
Yeah.
Hogging everything, Patrick.
That's better than expected. It's got some weird shapes in there.
What?
It's not really M&M shaped. They're bigger than normal. Like, I don't know what's going on. Look at them.
That's just straight white chocolate.
They're just
there's
like-
there's no spice to it.
There's like some different shapes in here. I don't know. Maybe I'm
They're
crazy.
all
They're
the
just
same.
like weird.
That has
They're
a
bigger than
decent-
normal.
That has a decent pumpkin flavor, though.
Yeah.
I taste straight white chocolate.
I don't know. I don't like it. But I'm gonna eat it. I don't like it.
You grabbed like 10 of them and we're about
I
to
know.
put them
I
back
wanted
in
to
the
show
bag.
them. I wanted to show them, but then I was like, that's gross. So we have wafers. Open the wafers. I'm getting bad at opening things.
Okay.
I just want to see if it's just me or if it's actually the packaging.
I think it's just you.
He's having some problems. It's not just me.
Thanks, Patrick. These are gonna be messy.
I feel like these should be a different color.
Like orange?
They're too white. I feel like they should be like more pumpkin orange. So already I'm disappointed. But
Okay.
that's not bad. That's pretty generic flavor. It's just sugar. I feel like I have so many sugars in my
I need
mouth.
water now.
That's what I'm saying. We need like water or something to water it down. But I'm just getting straight pumpkin.
I
and
just
sugar.
taste regular vanilla wafer cookies. No pumpkin, no spice, none of that. This is what a disappointment.
Yeah. I want to see. This looks promising. I'm going to save that for later. We have Pop-Tarts. Pumpkin pie Pop-Tarts. They're frosted.
Oh.
Okay. I'm gonna break this in half.
Generic
There you go.
decoration on that.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
It's not bad. I feel like that's probably 3 out of 5. We'll do one more thing. That'll be it. We're gonna do some classic candy corn. Candy corn's like, I've heard this is actually America's least favorite candy, so I like candy corn, but apparently most people do not. Again, hard to open. I got it.
No, okay.
I got it. There you go.
Thanks, bud.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
Boom.
I love candy corn.
I like candy corn too.
It's delicious.
It's classic candy corn.
Can't go wrong with it.
But-
Pure sugar.
All natural.
All natural, pure sugar.
But
What's up, y'all? We're here in the Bellarmine Pumpkin Patch, as you can see, and we've just been feeling the fall spirit lately,
We have.
and seeing all these pumpkin spice flavored things on the grocery shelves, and it's just got us hankering to find out what is the best. Is that right?
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So let's get started. Got first here is some 100% pure pumpkin. That's quite a promise. Let's see if it delivers.
That's a big old. That's a giant bite.
Good stuff.
Y'all are taking massive bites.
just like Grandma used to make.
Ew, that's really gross. It's really cold. Tastes like a vegetable. Like there's no. I don't think there's any sugar in it. I mean, it is a vegetable, but like that's what it tastes like. That's disgusting.
Well, you know, it is all natural, so.
That's really gross.
All right.
bad.
Maybe we
see.
follow it up with baby food so it won't taste as
You
bad.
want to?
So let's just keep
Think
going
that's gonna help?
gross.
All right.
This one has this.
We've got some Beech Nut Organics, just pumpkin baby food. Elise, you want to start us off?
Go,
It has
Elise.
water on top.
Mix it up, girl.
Okay.
Down the
I
hatch.
regret this.
Not as bad as I thought it would be.
Honestly, texture is easier to swallow.
The texture is what's grossing me out. I
It's
haven't
like
tried it
watered down pumpkin.
Much
Try
better
not to
than the
think about
pumpkin.
it.
yet. Ew. Ew, I don't like that at all. That's got a really horrible texture.
Yeah, why do babies like this?
I don't know. I don't know if they do.
It's weird. All right. What should we go with next?
I think we should do something good.
How about these cookies?
Those
Oh,
are
it's not good.
These
There's a
tiny
picture of
cookies in this bag.
Very small. These are pumpkin spice flavored baking truffles.
Fancy.
Very shiny. I don't know. What do you guys think?
It smells like Christmas.
That's it? Ooh.
It definitely puts me in the mood.
What?
For some fall themed cookies, obviously.
Those are good.
Yeah,
I like them.
definitely a step up, especially texture wise.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
There's Krispy Kreme donuts over
Ooh.
here. We go
That
with
sounds
those.
promising.
Get going.
I'm always down to go nuts for some donuts, but we'll see about this.
Thank you. You ready?
These are so good.
Yeah, I like these.
Really good. 10
This
out of
feels
10.
like, for once, maybe something that God actually intended.
I don't know if I'm getting a lot of pumpkin though. Kind of just like glazed and maybe
Yeah.
like cinnamon. It's not really pumpkin.
I'm
Okay.
beginning to wonder how much pumpkin is actually going into any of these things.
Probably not a lot.
Probably not a lot.
Okay, one more, everyone.
Yeah,
It's
let's
a
see.
final hurrah.
There's the pumpkin spice. Spice? We could try.
Ooh, the
spice.
pumpkin spice.
Literal pumpkin spice.
Doesn't get any better than that.
I'm finishing this donut.
You have to stab open.
Don't really know how we're supposed to eat this, but I guess give it a shot. It's the American way.
That one choked.
Wouldn't it be easier just to keep the top off?
You gotta sprinkle it festively.
Put on your spoons like so.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're really doing well.
Try.
It smells like cough medicine.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh, it smells horrible.
Yeah. Oh. No.
So
I'm too scared.
I've got conflicting thoughts here. On one hand, it's terrible. But on the other hand,
Tastes like dirt.
it was probably never intended to be eaten out of a spoon.
No.
So we're back, and I'm back because the last group was eating spice out of a spoon. So obviously we need some more structure to the video. So I'm back. But I think I'm going to start things off with cereal, because cereal is a great way to start the day. And it's a great way to start this part of the video. So I'm going to get in here.
You just ripped the box.
I'm just ripping it. And then there's something else in them.
They're orange.
These look good. Already.
There you
There
go.
we go. I'm going to give everybody one. This one's 3, so
Oh.
somebody's special.
That's you.
I mean,
I was thinking we could. Okay.
We could just break it,
Yeah.
Whatever you want to do.
Thank you, sir.
Cool. And then you're going to break it in half.
but thank you.
Back at it. All right.
Cheers.
Boom. That's delicious.
Oh, it's dry. It's very dry. Ew.
Well, it is meant to be eaten with milk.
It'd be good with milk.
You know, I've
No.
always thought about frosted mini wheats that it would be better with pumpkin spice.
Haven't
Again,
we all had that
Good
thought?
theory.
another breakfast item. These are really good. They're kind of expensive at Kroger, so I never get them, but here I am
Oh, I
eating them.
did.
So,
I love things that swirl.
Mm-hmm.
Don't we all love a good swirl?
gotta love a good swirl. All
Who's
right.
getting the butt?
Swirl.
Not me.
They have a habit of putting packages inside of packages. So, that's what we're dealing with right now.
So while Patrick is struggling with the package here.
No longer am I struggling with the
Excuse me.
package. There you go.
I don't want the butt.
Children, give me the butt.
Nice. There's one.
Thank you.
Another. All right.
Nice texture.
It is textured.
Cool.
See the pumpkin.
It is nice. Good swirl action there.
You're gonna just take a bite?
I'm just
Oh,
gonna
I've already
come-
started.
go
guys.
right
I'm
at
sorry.
it. That's pretty good. Again, that's just like $4 at Kroger's, so.
I
don't
can
know if it's
actually
four-
see the pumpkin.
But I can't taste it.
Assume
Where's
that
the
that's what
pumpkin?
that
I don't
is.
taste pumpkin.
There's
it's
no
all
way
cinnamon.
that's real.
Cinnamon.
I think the little yellow parts are pumpkin,
Right.
but like I need more if we're gonna claim for it to be a pumpkin bread.
Yeah, this does feel a little lazy.
Cinnamon just slaps you right in the face.
We
with
need
this
Pepperidge
bread.
Farm to do better.
Maybe they should put
Yeah.
the spice on
Step
there.
up your game, Pepperidge
Put
Farms.
a little spice on the bread.
Little spice. What's this? Werther's candy.
I hate Werther's,
Love them.
but I'll try one.
It is Halloween.
I have a feeling this is gonna be bad.
Take one, pass it down.
Nice.
Take one.
Here they are for you. They're chewy.
Mm-hmm.
I thought it was like a hard candy.
We'd be here a while then.
No.
It just resembles some like old caramel.
Yeah, this is just caramel. There's no spice, nothing to it. No
This is-
pumpkin.
False advertising.
1 out of 5.
I feel like I'm gonna break my jaw.
I give 0 pumpkins out of 5 pumpkins.
Yeah.
0 out of 5 pumpkins.
What else we got?
0.5 pumpkins.
Let's see.
We haven't tried this.
I think this is a spoon item. I feel like this is
Oh,
the correct
I
usage of
threw away my
spoons.
spoon.
There you go.
We
Okay.
need more spoons.
Yes.
As
As you're
how do
getting
I
that.
open it?
See? It's part of the stress of this
Two-
job.
6 months and up. Is everyone here 6 months old?
I believe so.
Is this baby food?
Yep.
Yeah, I think. I don't know actually. Does anyone know how to open?
Here.
I could try.
My little brother eats these.
Nice.
He's 3.
Nice.
He's 12.
All right.
He's 17.
Get you a dollop.
Oh.
Oh.
That is an especially creamy texture.
Just what you
Oh,
want.
That's what you want in your food.
Mm-hmm.
It smells really good. It
All
smells
right,
really
everybody
good.
at the same time now.
Okay.
All right, 3, 2,
cheers.
1, go. That tastes horrible.
I like it.
That has what in it?
I think it's
Oh.
good.
Guava,
It doesn't
pear.
taste like pumpkin.
And pumpkin.
Yeah, you can definitely taste the guava.
It tastes
That
like
was-
fruit.
Oh.
Just fruit. It's 2/3 guava, that's why. 1/4 small pear, small, and 1/4 cubed pumpkin.
I guess they couldn't fit a whole pear in there.
Not a whole
Oh.
pear.
I'm disappointed in that in general, and that it's ever a thing. That's just bad.
Poor babies out there. I'm sorry.
I've been looking forward to this for like a long time. I think it's
Yeah.
a Danish.
Yeah.
Is it a Danish coffee cakes?
I think we need to like.
Do you want me to get it?
One of us
I'm
has
liking
to
that
eat the
other
whole
people are
thing.
struggling too. You know.
Get in there. Yeah.
I'm trying with the claws, man.
I got it.
Alright.
Cracked it open.
Spoons, everyone.
Are we all just gonna take a
Spoons.
That's the
scoop
plan.
out?
I just got a last bit of that
Alright.
last thing. It was gross.
Why would you do that to yourself?
That's
I don't want to. I want to use a different spoon.
Brianna, did you get some?
No.
Milady?
You just dropped your bite.
Just fell in my pants.
I want a corn piece.
It's very like.
Careful, it's
It like
slippery.
pops right out.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Being.
And he's got it.
Right here.
Ready, go.
I'll go now for. Not good. Not what I thought at all.
Interesting.
What? I think that's so good.
I've been disappointed in most of the items.
It
Though.
tastes like a spiky cinnamon roll.
I feel like I was expecting more.
Why is it tangy though? It's like tangy.
It's got the icing on it.
No,
Yeah.
icing shouldn't be tangy.
It's Danish.
Oh,
Too
gotcha.
much Danish, not
Too
enough
much,
pumpkin.
too much
You know?
Danish.
Not enough pumpkin. Again, Wynn's complaint. Not enough pumpkin.
What
What else we got? Anything?
And we weren't here.
These Kit Kats. This is actually open because I did this off camera. They got mad at me for that, so we're all gonna try this together. I already know how
I'm a
delicious
big
these are.
Kit Kat guy myself.
These were actually really good. I'll already go on and say.
They're cute.
And
They
they're
have little
orange.
Diva
Oh my
pumpkins
gosh.
on them.
They are orange.
They're orange guys.
I kind of did not like that orange. It's kind of like a human skin color.
I wish you
That's
hadn't
like-
said that.
Yeah.
I wish you would have kept that to
I have
yourself.
lost
I don't
my
like
appetite.
it. It was gross, but it's good tasting.
That
Oh.
actually tastes like pumpkin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm getting the
Smells
full
weird.
pumpkin experience.
It's been the best thing.
No, don't sign me up for that.
I
You don't
like
like
it.
it?
Oh God, no.
I'm
I
very
really
into
like it.
that.
I really like Kit Kats though.
I'm very into that.
It's got that familiar Kit Kat texture.
It really
With
does.
a little kick.
Like Mom used to make.
Just like Mom used to make.
Do you want anything? Is there anything over there that we haven't
Yeah.
tried?
Nutri-Grain bars and
All
they have like
right.
pumpkin
You wanna
cookies
crack those?
too.
Go for
You
the
guys get
Nutri-Grain?
nothing. You all get nothing.
Oh God, awful aftertaste.
This
I
here
love
says it's
those.
made with real pumpkin. So we'll see if they follow through on that.
Sounds
taste-wise.
promising.
Would someone want to split one?
Yeah, let's look
Yeah.
at two here.
They got that perfect Nutri-Grain toast to it, you know? Came right out of the oven.
Just like Mom used to make.
Just like Mommy's.
Mother Nutri-Grain.
I could see that having real pumpkin in it.
Oh,
Nutri-Grain doesn't lie.
God, it's gross.
I hate it.
I hate it.
I like that. You guys are overreacting.
I think you're
It doesn't really
underreacting.
taste like anything. I don't know if my taste buds aren't working anymore, but it doesn't taste like
Uh-uh.
anything.
I have a theory that like
No.
all
Too much.
Nutri-Grain
No, ma'am.
bars are like the same, and they just tell you that it's different. And I think they all taste the same. I think that all, even that one, it kind of
I
tastes the
think your
same.
tongue is just broken.
No,
Are your taste buds okay, Patrick?
they're fine.
Uh,
I have full faith.
I was.
What else do we have?
We have instant oatmeal. Somebody's got to go make the oatmeal. It's not very instant.
That might be the
That's
last thing we
y'all's
do.
oatmeal.
Yeah. What's this over here?
We've got our pumpkin delights.
I used to eat these as a kid, so I know I like
I
them.
love
These-
these.
I love them.
Unlike our baking truffles over here are actually cookies.
Correct. Oh,
You wanna
there
try?
you go. Give it
These
up.
are them, by the way. Actually had some pretty good packaging here.
It's not that serious.
It is.
It's not.
Oh no.
I believe this
You
is,
hearing rippage? Here we go. Boom.
this is the first Little Debbie product we've.
Boom.
First,
Boom.
look. They kind of look scary. I'm a little scared of fur.
I like
Mine's
that
a little
it
mashed,
has
but
eyes
it's okay.
on it and
It's
a
like a
smiley face.
jack-o'-lantern.
There we go. Cool.
Hey, water.
By the way, water is cheating.
It's not.
He's staring into my soul.
It's a little ominous.
Cold, dark soul.
But I
It's
do
getting darker
want
by the
it.
minute.
Alright, cheers.
Okay, cool.
Cheers.
Delicious.
I'm a fan.
Mm-hmm.
It's not bad.
It's like
Little
good
Debbie.
artificial pumpkin. I love it.
Little Debbie never misses the mark, though.
No.
She doesn't.
Is that it? Is that everything?
I think that can be
I
everything.
think that can be everything.
Mm-hmm.
Well, thank you for coming to the pumpkin patch.
How we feeling?
I'm feeling like all of this was overrated. I
Yeah.
feel like
I
most of
agree.
this. I feel like most of this stuff was not great. But I do feel like festive foods still the way to go. They only come out once a year, once a season.
True.
So you gotta get it while the iron's hot. You know, this stuff isn't gonna be around all the time. You gotta get it, whether it's bad or good. You gotta make that decision for yourself. So I think we can all say that most of this stuff is bad. But
It's terrible, but it's about the experience, and that's priceless.
Yeah.
Wouldn't you agree?
thank you for
I
joining
agree.
us at the pumpkin patch again. Most of the stuff kind of missed its mark, but we had fun. Thanks for joining us.